So in this video, let's take a look at how you can turn on email forwarding on your iPhone, and let's get started. So open up the settings app like that, and you can see I'm already inside of the mail section. But essentially, if you are on the main page like that, just get entirely to the bottom where you can find the apps section, and just from the list, find the mail right there. So it should be right here. So as you can see, mail is right there. And essentially click on the mail accounts. Then I'm going to click on and select my iCloud email account. You can see so much stuff. The default email is this foxtecc@icloud.com. And essentially the option right there is mail forwarding. So I can literally just click in here, enable it like that. And then I can choose the actual email address where it will be forwarded to. So you can see that when this is turned on, it will automatically forward messages when they are received. So everything, every mail that you receive on this mail address will be automatically sent to you, forwarded to this particular email address, which you will type right in. You have one more option, which is delete after forwarding, which is kind of useful if you don't want to store those emails right there. I guess it could work. So this is how you can set it up. Outside of that, of course, you can forward individual messages. So when you go to the mail, app directly, and at the bottom, click on the left arrow, you can click on forward and perform the very same thing, but manually for one mail only. So that's how it works. I honestly hope that I could help you find that option. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.